Prabhuji, is this a graphical presentation of function of Prabhuji?
Yes, this is graphical presentation.
Yes, Prabhuji.
Yes.
For the with relation to the assignments, should we comply with the exercises that are there in the this chapter PDF, or the one you give?
The one which I have given, that you have to do compulsorily, and if you get time, you can do extra also.
Okay.
Prabhuji, will you send this
Yes, what?
PDF to our group, Prabhuji? Will you send
Yes,
this PDF to our group?
yes, I will send this PDF. Okay, so last time we discussed about the domain of functions. Okay, but to understand about domain and range more clearly, we need to understand what are different types of functions. So this is very important. So according to the function, we decide that what will be the domain and what will be the range of the function. So this, the topic which is today, you understand it very carefully. This is the foundation of future topics which you are going to study, and by this you can graphically visualize the function in your mind. So things will be very clear in your mind. You'll have the picture of the question in your mind. So the first function is named identity function. So you see, before we start the function, I would like to ask all of you, how do you plot a graph? How do you plot a graph?
Prabhuji, your voice is breaking, Prabhuji.
So I am asking a question that how do you plot a graph? Are you able to hear? How do you?
ग्राफ के लिए means according to the scale given we draw a graph with x and y axis and x dash and y dash axis.
Okay, so first of all you need this plane, xy plane. It is called xy plane. Okay, where you have x axis and y axis. Fine. So you need a plane. Then what you need?
On according
Yes.
to which scale we have to draw
Okay, then you draw,
2 centimeter.
mark the scale. Then you need coordinates to locate on that plane. Okay, you need points. So that is what we call in our sets as ordered pairs. So here in xy plane, you need one x coordinate and one y coordinate. And depend. Let's say the coordinate is 2, 4. So you first come to 2 in x coordinate, then you go to 4 in y coordinate, and you locate that point. Mark that point. So in this way, you mark at least 4, 5 points, and then you join those points. Correct?
Yes.
And then you mark, place that graph, draw that graph by joining those points. So in this way, I just reminded you, I hope all of you have done this in class 10. So in this way we plot a graph. So here you can see it is written that y is equal to fx is equal to x. Okay. So when we are talking about graph in functions, so we are saying that fx is equal to y. Okay, we consider that this y-axis is, what is it? It is fx. What is meaning of fx? Fx means value of the function at point x. Fx means value of the function at point x. Correct? So here the function is fx is equal to x. So what will be the value of function at any point x? Let's say the point is x1. So what will be the value of the function?
1 2 2 1 2
1.
No. If I am saying if the function is fx is equal to x, this is the function. So what will be the value of function at point x1? if I give x is equal to x1, then what will be the value of fx?
x1.
X1, correct. So you understand by what, depending on what is the function. If I say that fx is equal to x square plus 1, so what will be the value of function at x is equal to 2?
2x squared plus 1.
Again, here carefully, the function is fx is equal to x square plus 1. Okay, this is fx. So what will be the value of fx at x is equal to 2?
5, 5,
2x square
5, correct.
2. No, 5. Okay.
5, correct.
Yeah.
Because x square means 2 square plus 1. Okay,
Yes,
so
yes.
Yes.
you get the value of the function
Prabhuji,
at,
I'm not understanding, Prabhuji.
yes, I am again telling, if fx is equal to x square plus 1, correct?
Yes,
This you
sir.
understood? So I am asking, what will be the value of function at x is equal to 2? What will be the value of fx at x is equal to 2? You understand? So how do you find the value of function? You simply put the value of x in the function. So here our function is x square plus 1. So I'm asking the value of function at x is equal to 2. So you put 2 in place of x. So you get 2 square plus 1. 2 square plus 1 is 4 plus 1 is equal to 5.
5.
You understand who asked the question?
Prabhuji, how it gets x square plus 1?
I just gave example. I just gave example.
Okay.
Okay. So here the first function we are talking about identity function. This function is called fx is equal to x. Okay. So it means what it means that whatever is the value of x, same will be the value of y. Correct?
Yes, Prabhuji.
So when I say y or fx, it is the same thing. You understand it as them same. Sometimes I may say y, sometimes I may say fx. Okay. So this is called identity function. Fx is equal to x. So if at x is equal to 4, value of the function will be 4. So you mark a point here, 4. At x
Yes,
is equal
sir.
to 6, value of the function will be 6. So you mark a point here. And then join these 2 points, you will get this straight line. Okay. Which will, at x is equal to 0, value of the function will be 0. Okay, so you see this graph is passing through 0, 0. This is also passing through 4, 4. This is also passing through 6, 6. Okay. So in this way, the graph is plotted. Now, second is, now can you tell by seeing the graph what is the domain of this function? What is the domain of the function?
Value of x produce the domain.
The values of x are is called domain, correct? So which values of x this function is taking? Which values of x?
That above
Minus
1.
8 to 8.
It is taking all the values of x. Okay.
Okay.
Yes,
From,
Prabhuji.
from minus infinity to plus infinity, it is taking all the values of x. Correct? So the domain of the function is real, R. Okay. R means all the values of x. Now what is the range of the function? Y-axis denotes the range of the function.
Yes, Prabhuji.
So what is the range of the function?
Infinite to infinite.
Yes. It is, see, it is
Negative
coming.
infinite to positive infinite.
Yes. So we say that the range of function is R. Okay.
Yes.
All real values. So second function is constant function. Constant function, as the name suggests, that the value of the function is constant. It does not depend on x. You see, fx is equal to c. So the value of the function is not depending on x. Okay, where c can be any real number. So you see, I have said fx is equal to c. Let's say this point is c. Let's say c is 2.5. Okay,
Yes.
c is equal to 2.5. C can be any real number. C is equal to 2.5. So at all the points of x, value of the function is equal to c, 2.5. So you can see, if you take point 2, x is equal to 2, then what will be the value? 2 comma 2.5. Okay,
Yes, Guruji.
if we take x is equal to 4, what will be the value? 4 comma 2.5.
2.5.
X is equal to 6, 6 comma 2.5.
2.5.
So you get all these 3 points in this, on this straight line. So when you draw this, you get this graph parallel to x-axis.
Yeah.
Okay, so you see this function is constant. So what is the range of domain of this function?
Guruji, x.
X is there, but what are the values of x? What values of x can be?
Infinite to infinite, Prabhuji.
Yes, correct. Infinite to infinite. You see, we can take any values of x. Huh?
Yes, Guruji.
So you get the domain is real. You say that domain is real. Now what is the range?
2.5.
Yes,
2.5.
range is 2.5 or c. Okay, because
Yes.
it any value of x, it is taking only one value, that is 2.5.
Yes.
Correct.
Yes, Guruji.
So this is called, the range of this function is 2.5, and the domain of the function is real or real. Okay, so this is constant function. Then we'll come to this function later on. First, I want to discuss another function. The modulus function. Okay, you see what is this modulus function? The modulus function is defined by fx is equal to mod x. So I have explained this in last class also. Thus modulus means that it returns the absolute value of x. Means कि अगर मैंने मान लो तुमको दिया -5, you will return me 5. Okay, you will remove the minus sign and you'll return me numerical value.
Yes, Guruji.
मॉडुलस मतलब होता है कि x की केवल न्यूमेरिकल वैल्यू हमको लेनी है, उसके निगेटिव पॉजिटिव साइन को कंसीडर नहीं करना है. अगर x इज इक्वल टू -10 है, mod x इज इक्वल टू 10. Is it clear?
Yes, Guruji.
Yes. So you see that fx is equal, एक फंक्शन था हमारे पास fx is equal to x, ठीक है, जो हमने पहले पढ़ा आइडेंटिटी फंक्शन. नाउ हियर fx is equal to mod x, पर डिफरेंस क्या है? फॉर x निगेटिव, वो फंक्शन निगेटिव हो जा रहा था, क्योंकि x अगर निगेटिव होता तो fx भी निगेटिव हो
गुरुजी
जाता.
तो अगर
हम्म?
तो ये पॉजिटिव ही होगा तो पॉजिटिव ही आएगा बाहर भी गुरुजी.
यस, तो ये जब निगेटिव वैल्यू लोगे, मान लो तुमने x लिया -4, तो ये
Yes,
फंक्शन की वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगी?
4.
करेक्ट. x अगर तुमने लिया -2, तो फंक्शन की वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगी?
2.
हो जाएगी. ठीक है.
Yes,
तो दिस फंक्शन यहाँ पे तो जो पॉजिटिव डायरेक्शन में तो इट इज सेम एज y इज इक्वल टू x. y इज इक्वल टू x में पॉजिटिव डायरेक्शन में ऐसे जा रहा था.
Yes,
पर निगेटिव डायरेक्शन में इट इज जस्ट रिफ्लेक्टेड अबाउट x एक्सिस. निगेटिव डायरेक्शन में ये ग्राफ ऐसे नीचे जा रहा था,
yes.
और ये सीधा रिफ्लेक्ट हो गया. ये जो भी वैल्यूज निगेटिव थी वो सब क्या हो गई?
Positive.
पॉजिटिव हो गई. क्लियर है?
हाँ.
So this is y
Yes,
equal to mod x, that whatever values were negative, they became positive. So this graph will always be positive. It will never go below x-axis.
Okay.
It will always remain above x-axis. So can you tell? So this is defined in this way. You can see here the definition of this function. This is the definition. Fx is equal to x for x greater than equal to 0, and fx is equal to minus x for x less than 0.
Hare Krishna Prabhu, your voice is breaking.
Hare Krishna. So all of you can mute your audio, and if you have to ask something, if you have to answer something, then you can unmute it. So you can see fx is equal to x for x positive, and fx is equal to minus x for x negative. So if x is negative, then what will it be the minus x, whether it will be positive or negative?
Positive.
Positive. So therefore the minus sign is put. So it gives the same value as mod x. By multiplying negative with negative, it becomes positive. So mod x can be written also in this way. It can be broke in two parts. You can make two parts. Mod x is equal to x for all x greater than equal to 0, and mod x is equal to minus x for x less than 0. Is it clear?
Yes, yes.
So now the question is, what is the domain of this function?
Domain. Infinite.
Yes, you see, it is taking all the values of x along the x-axis. Okay, so the domain is minus infinity to plus infinity, which means that real number. Domain is real. What is the range of this function?
Positive infinity.
Range, when I ask range or domain, you have to say from where to where. From where to where values are taken.
Positive infinity to positive infinity, maybe.
Huh? What may be? Positive infinity to
Range is
positive.
8, Prabhuji.
Huh?
Range is 8, I think.
No, this 8 is, it is shown only on the graph, but it is going all the way up.
0 to positive
infinity to
infinity.
positive infinity.
What does that mean? Positive infinity to positive infinity.
Means it
0
is
to
not
positive
going in the
infinity.
negative.
Yes, who is answering 0 to positive infinity? Who has answered 0 to positive infinity?
I have answered, Prabhuji.
Name Pranshu.
Yes.
Yes, so answer is correct. You can see
Okay.
it is taking values from 0 and it is going all the way up to infinity. Okay, it is taking values from 0 and it is going all the way up to infinity. How? See, at 0 the value is 0. At 2 the value is 2. At 4 the value is 4. So it
And
will
what
go
about that left one?
left one, you see, at 0 the value is 0. Minus 2 value is 2. Minus 4 value is
Okay,
4.
Prabhuji.
Okay.
Yes.
So it is taking values from 0 to infinity. At
Okay.
infinity the value will be infinity.
Yes,
Correct?
yes.
By seeing the graph also you can see.
Yes,
See,
yes.
from where graph is plotted from 0, you have to see in y direction. Okay?
Okay.
Don't see in x direction. For domain you have to see in x direction, and for range you have to see in y direction.
Okay.
Okay? So you see for range, you see in y direction, 0 to infinity, it is going towards infinity. It is not going down. No points are below the x-axis.
In this case, Prabhuji, in this case, only we should see the right side.
In
Right,
this,
left,
only,
down.
Prabhuji, means
no, you have to see both sides.
Both are going from 0 to infinity.
Yeah, both sides. So if both are going from 0 to infinity, so you'll write only one set, na? 0 to infinity. You don't repeat the numbers in set. So if you are range is asked, then simply it is taking values from 0 to infinity.
Prabhuji.
Now this another function. So can you tell, is this one function or many one function? The modulus function. Modulus function is one or many one?
Mm,
One means that every element has only one image.
One image.
And many one means that two elements or three elements can have the same image or same value.
One, I think.
Don't think. Answer
Many
scientifically.
one, many one.
Many one. Why?
Because -2 also have value 2 and
Yes.
2 also have
Yes. Correct.
plus 2.
-2 has also value 2 and 2 has also value. So X is called set A, Y is called set B. X is called domain, Y is called codomain. So you can see that the -2 has also value 2 and 2 has also value. Okay, so this is many one function. Now this is signum function. Signum function, as you can see, the name suggests that signum means it gives the value based on sign of the function. Okay, it gives the value based on sign of the function. So if x is positive, then it gives value 1. If x is 0, it gives value 0. And if x is negative, it gives value -1. Okay, तो इसका ग्राफ देखो ऐसे बनेगा. This is the graph of this function. For x 0, you see that the point, where is the point? Point कहाँ पे मार्क किया गया है 0 के लिए? जो डार्क पॉइंट है, for x 0, y is 0. This dark point is marked at origin.
Yes.
Okay. For x greater than 0, it has jumped up to where 1. The graph is starting from 1 for x greater than 0. यहाँ पे जो empty circle है, इसका मतलब होता है कि 1 is not included. Okay. empty मतलब होता है कि ये पॉइंट इसमें इंक्लूड नहीं हुआ है, इसके बाद के सारे पॉइंट इंक्लूड किए गए. And for x negative, for negative value of x, the graph is starting from -1. All the values are -1 for negative x. You take any value. You take -3, the answer is -1. You take -4, the value is -1. Okay. So don't chat among yourself between the class. So you can write this function in this way also. Are you seeing mod x by x? Are you able to see? Mod x by x. Can you see mod x by x?
Yes.
So देखो, for x negative, what mod x को क्या लिख सकते हो? Unmute yourself.
Prabhuji, voice is breaking, Prabhuji.
Yes, sir.
Your voice is breaking.
So I am asking
Yeah, Prabhuji.
that fx is equal to mod x by x. ये सिग्नम फंक्शन को इस तरह भी लिखा जा सकता है, mod x by x. तो x अगर निगेटिव है तो mod x को क्या लिख सकते हो?
X.
अभी हमने मॉडुलस फंक्शन पढ़ा
Positive
था. हाँ?
positive x.
X लिखते हैं. Positive X is same.
अगर x निगेटिव है तो mod x को पॉजिटिव बनाने के लिए क्या लिखना पड़ेगा? For x negative, mod x is equal to -x. ओके, क्योंकि x निगेटिव है, उसके आगे माइनस लगा दो तो क्या हो जाएगा, वो वैल्यू पॉजिटिव हो जाएगी.
Positive.
Okay, mod x is always positive, so positive cannot be equal to negative. So if I write mod x is equal to x for x negative, then it cannot be equal. So you have to write mod x is equal to minus x for x negative. Okay, so if you write minus x by x, तो minus x by x क्या हो जाता है? Unmute yourself.
-1.
-1. Yes. तो अपने आप देखो x निगेटिव के लिए वैल्यू हो जाएगी -1.
तभी तो
Yes.
it will be x by x, positive x by x.
For positive, it will be positive x by x. Then value will be 1 for
Yes,
x
sir.
greater than 0. For x equal to 0, the value is 0. उसकी वैल्यू इससे नहीं कैलकुलेट करते हैं, ठीक है, क्योंकि x equal to 0 this is not defined. Denominator
Yes,
becomes 0. Okay. So now we come to the polynomial function. Before that, we will do some exercises.
Jackie on class. Jackie hybrid.
Can you see the new PDF?
Yes.
So we'll come to the modulus function. This is also called absolute value function. So here it is written, sketch the graph of y is equal to mod
X
of
minus
x minus 2. Okay.
Yes.
So if you break this function, so it will become x plus x minus 2 when x minus 2 is greater than 0, and minus x minus 2 when x minus 2 is less than 0. ये समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes, Proji, you were tell about the.
तो x minus, उसके बाद देखो x minus 2 greater than 0 means x greater than 2 होना चाहिए और less than, who is doing this? Yes. So and y is equal to minus x minus 2 का क्या मतलब? Minus x minus 2 means minus x plus 2. The bracket will open, so it will become like this, minus x plus 2.
And the sign will change.
Sign will change. This is for x less than 2. तो अब देखो ये फंक्शन कौन से पॉइंट पे साइन चेंज कर रहा है? 2 पे कर रहा है साइन
So
चेंज.
ये positive 2. Yes, Proji.
तो 2 से ग्रेटर देन होने पे इसका ग्राफ होगा x माइनस 2. ओके, और बड़े छोटे होने पे ग्राफ होगा माइनस एक्स प्लस 2. अब इस ग्राफ को हम लोग दूसरे तरीके से, सिंपल तरीके से भी बना सकते हैं. कैसे? y इक्वल टू मॉड x का ग्राफ याद है सबको?
Yes, Proji.
तो y इक्वल टू मॉड, हाँ, so
Positive.
positive. Now you see what is here, it is x minus 2, मतलब x में कितनी शिफ्टिंग हुई है, 2 यूनिट की शिफ्टिंग हुई है। तो इस ग्राफ को y इक्वल टू
What this two?
Your voice is breaking, Prabhuji.
That two part. What you were telling, Prabhu?
what you are asking?
Repeat the last sentence. Prabhuji, repeat the last sentence.
So this graph is shifted from 0 to 2. You can see जो mod x ग्राफ था वो पहले 0 पे था, अब उसको शिफ्ट कर दिया कहाँ पे, 2 पे। ओके, तो जस्ट शिफ्टिंग हुई है। अगर y इक्वल टू mod x माइनस 3 होता तब क्या करते, ग्राफ को शिफ्ट कर देते 3 पे। अभी कौन सी स्क्रीन दिख रही है?
जी एक्सरसाइज एग्जांपल्स वाली
ग्राफ है, टेबल है।
हाँ, ग्राफ एंड टेबल।
तो
एग्जांपल नंबर 13 प्रो जी।
So we discuss constant functions
yes.
and now we come to the polynomial function. पॉलिनोमियल फंक्शन होता है जिसमें x की पावर्स होती हैं, जस्ट लाइक x क्यूब plus 2x plus 1. This is polynomial function. Okay, so here you can see fx is equal to a0 plus a1x plus a2x square plus an xn. In this, one thing is to note is that n is not negative, n is always positive, means the powers of x are always positive. Okay,
Yes.
so that thing we have to take.
So
Then it is
will
called
be AP.
huh?
So it will make an AP, arithmetic progressions.
No, not necessary. Not necessary that it will make an AP.
Okay.
N is non-negative and n is an integer.
Yes, please.
It cannot be decimal or fraction. Okay.
Yes.
So if something function is given like this, hx is equal to x to the power 2 by 3 plus 2x, then it is not polynomial function because here power is fraction.
Yes, please.
Okay. So if I give you function, let's say this is the function x cube minus x square plus 2. So this is the polynomial function.
Yes.
Here another function x to the power 4 plus root 2x. This is also polynomial function. Because x, what is the power of x? 1.
1.
And power of x to the power 4, this is 4.
4.
Okay, so this is polynomial function. Power must be integer and positive integer. Now example is given. Define the function r to r. Means domain is r and codomain is r. And what is the function is given? Fx is equal to x square. This is the function. So complete the table below. Now you have to write the value of fx. For minus 4, what will be the value of fx?
16.
16.
16 Prabhuji.
Yes, minus 3, 9. You have to
9.
simplify the square.
4
4 1
Then
0.
0, 0. Then again the values are repeating. You see, for positive
Yes, yes.
also values are same, negative also values are same. Now at this point, it is not there in this PDF, but you can write down
Modulus.
even function and odd functions. What are even functions? First write down even functions. Even functions. So I am dictating, you can write down if f of minus x is equal to fx, then the function is called even function.
Prabhuji, can you repeat once again?
If f of minus x is equal to fx, then the function is called even function. Keshav, you are not writing. Why?
Prabhuji, sorry, Prabhuji, sorry.
Prabhuji, my internet has a bit problem.
Okay. So you can see the video later on also.
So that yes, Prabhuji. So the video is not clear and your voice is breaking too.
Okay.
Prabhuji, could you repeat the last
I'm not
two
hearing you.
words?
I said that if f of minus x is equal to fx, then function is even. So you see this function fx is equal to x square. अगर
It's
x
called
की
even function.
इसमें f of minus x क्या
Prabhuji, your
होगा?
voice is breaking.
What will be f of minus x?
fx.
In this function?
Where it is?
Even x.
Prabhuji,
हाँ, this is even function क्योंकि x square में अगर minus x रखोगे x की जगह.
Prabhuji, I'll repeat it once again. Can you? Prabhuji, I'll repeat it once again. Can
Yes,
you
repeat.
say it straight to me? If f of minus x is equal to f of x, it is called even function.
Yes. And if f of minus x is equal to minus fx, then it is called